Good morning, students. Welcome to your science online class. This is your science teacher, and today we will start very interesting chapter of chemistry. That is chapter number 5, acids, bases and salts. Students, before starting the class, just think about some food items which are sour in taste, and also think about some items which are bitter in taste. And the answer can be lemon juice, orange juice, curd, amla, etc. are having sour taste, while baking soda, bitter gourd, green leafy vegetables are bitter in taste. But have you ever wondered that why these are having sour and bitter taste? So the answer is this. These things are having acid and base in them. So let's see what is an acid. Students, acid basically derived from a Latin language word acere, which means sour in taste. So the substances that taste sour are called acidic, and it is a substance that produces hydrogen ions when dissolved in water. Now students, look at these food items which you used to eat in your day-to-day life. So you will come to know that what kind of acid they are having. For example, vinegar contains acetic acid. Apple has the malic acid. Spinach has oxalic acid. Amla and vitamin C rich fruits contains ascorbic acids, while citrus fruits like lemon juice, orange, etc. has citric acid. Grapes, tamarind, unripe or we can say raw mangoes contains tartaric acid. And last, curd, which is very common at home, contain lactic acid. Apart from this, tomato has oxalic acid, and a string of ant and honeybee has formic acid, or we can say methanoic acid. Both are highly acidic. Students, formic acid when comes with the contact of skin, it gives burning and itching sensation. Now we will talk about the properties of acids. First, these are sour in taste. सेकंड, ये वाटर के साथ डिज़ोल्व होकर एक ऐसा सॉल्यूशन बनाते हैं जो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी कंडक्ट करता है. कुछ ऐसे भी एसिड्स होते हैं जो मेटल के साथ स्ट्रांगली रिएक्ट करते हैं. एंड स्टूडेंट्स, एसिड्स एंड बेसिस को आइडेंटिफाई करने के लिए एक टेस्ट होता है जिसे लिटमस पेपर टेस्ट कहते हैं. जैसा कि आप पिक्चर में भी देख सकते हो, अगर हम किसी ब्लू लिटमस पेपर पर एसिड्स की कुछ ड्रॉप डालते हैं तो यह उसे रेड कलर में कन्वर्ट कर देता है, which shows the presence of acids. Apart from these acids, there are some more acid which is produced by our body. Like hydrochloric acid is produced by stomach to digest food particles. Lactic acid is produced when we do lots of workout. And uric acid is produced when any substance break down in our body. Plants and animals also produce organic acid. Some acids are prepared with minerals, are called mineral acid, and the examples are sulfuric and nitric acid. Now we will see the uses of acids. Students, some acids like hydrochloric acid is used to clean wash basin and other sanitary ware. जब भी लैब में कोई केमिकल रिएक्शन बनाई जाती है तो एसिड्स को एज अ रीएजेंट यूज़ किया जाता है. सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड इज़ यूज्ड इन ऑटोमोबाइल बैटरीज एंड इन इंडस्ट्रीज. These remove dirt from oil. Now look at this picture. Nitric acid is used to clean jewelry by jewelers. Students, nitric and sulfuric acid highly acidic होते हैं, इसीलिए इन्हें मेटल क्लीनिंग प्रोसेस में यूज़ किया जाता है. Now we will talk about bases. So students, as already we have discussed that the substances which are bitter in taste are called bases. For example, baking soda, which is bitter in taste, and that's why it is called basic. The chemical nature of substances that contain base is said to be basic, and it turns red litmus paper into blue, which shows the presence of base. Now we will talk about the uses of bases. Students, as given picture is also suggesting that bases are used in many cleaning products as compared to acids, and soap is best example for that. It is also used in petroleum refining, and it is used as antacids because it neutralizes acid in our stomach, and best example is Digene. So this was all about acids and bases. In our next video we will talk about indicators.